Welcome to our installation and edit walkthrough for Mastin Labs LUTs for Final Cut Pro. We've already downloaded the video LUTs from our website, so if you haven't, pause the video, download them, and we'll be right here when you get back. Take the first step after downloading the zip file and double-click to unzip. Double-click again in the folder to open up. From there, while holding the Command button, click both the Custom LUTs and Effects Presets folders. Right-click, select Copy, and in the top menu, navigate to where it says Go. Scroll down to where it says Go to Folder, and type the following path. After typing that in, click Go again, and you will be in a folder that has camera LUTs and export presets available. Hit Command V to paste in the copied folders, and your LUTs and presets will now be available to you within Final Cut Pro. If the folders Custom LUTs and Effects Presets already exist in your Pro App directory, follow these steps. I'll go back to our main download folder, double-click the download folder, and instead of copying and pasting the entire folder into the Pro Apps directory, we will simply move everything inside into your existing folders. Open a new folder, go to Go to Folder, type in this path name again, click Go, and in the original download, grab all of the .effects presets and pull them into your Pro Apps folder. And repeat the process with the custom LUTs as well. Select everything and bring those into the custom LUTs folders. That way you're not overwriting your existing LUTs and presets. Let's make sure it works. So I'll open up Final Cut Pro, and inside we'll see some of our clips. Okay, we'll hit Command 5, and I will scroll down to where it says Mastin Labs, and you'll see inside each camera followed by the picture profile it was created for.